The Oppo A57 is now available for purchase. It is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio G35 CPU, which enables multitasking. The 6.56-inch IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen on the Oppo A57 has a refresh rate of 90 Hz and a resolution of 720 x 1612 pixels HD+. The smartphone comes with 3 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, which can be expanded later with a microSD card. The Oppo A57 boasts a dual camera arrangement on the back, a 13-megapixel primary camera with an LED flash, HDR, and panorama, and an 8-megapixel selfie camera. The device is powered by a 5000 mAh battery. The Oppo A57 price in Pakistan is Rs. 35,999 /